Baseball gloves are more than just equipment. They're an essential part of every game. Over time, dirt, sweat, and wear can affect their performance and appearance. In this step-by-step guide, we'll show you how to clean and care for your baseball glove to keep it looking great and performing like new. Grab your glove and let's get started. Inspect your glove for dirt, stains, and scuffs. Use a soft brush to remove loose dirt. Gently wipe the glove with a damp cloth. Apply glove cleaner to the surface. Rub stubborn stains gently with a brush. Don't forget to clean the laces carefully. Wipe off any excess cleaner with a dry cloth. Condition the leather to keep it soft and flexible. Let the conditioner soak in for 15 minutes. Buff the glove for a polished finish. Place a ball inside and secure it to maintain its shape. Air dry the glove in a cool, shaded area. And there you have it, a baseball glove that's clean, conditioned, and ready to take on your next game. Regular cleaning not only keeps your glove looking sharp, but also extends its life and improves its performance. Remember, a well-maintained glove is a game changer, so make this part of your routine and enjoy the game with confidence.